Somebody, yeah, that's my Maserati going ham. No salami, that's your chick. If I like it, then I'm straight. Boat garden in a club. Where the bottles at rose.
So in this video, there is sadly no audio, so you guys will actually have to, I'm going to voice over this whole video so that you guys can actually know what to do. That was a weird sound since I'm in the toilet right now, so that's a weird way to just start recording. Because, you guys have to when you watch the whole video. Because step number 1, you have to go to that YouTube. Of course, you have to go to YouTube, obviously. But then, first of all, here's a little, like, starter to it. Here's a little, like, I don't know how to say it, but soon enough in this video, you will see that I can give you guys an example, because this is actually the take 2 I was actually recording this video. So here's it. Pretty good, huh? So, this is step number 1. You go into YouTube, you search up 2D intros, well, 2D intro template, because I accidentally spelled 2D intros only, and you have to type in, well, 2D intro template no text, which is basically like the main thing you have to do, because you don't want a text on it, because you don't want double text on text. It's also recommended to actually use 2D intros, because if you're using this type, then if you're using like the font, which is gonna be showed after this, you don't really want to go down, because they don't have links like this one. See, there's like don't judge me. No hate. It's just because I just don't use it. So you want to copy the link to this, and then I'm just gonna insert that bottom one. You want to install documents. This thing here, which I just dragged. You have to open it, and you have to go to browser. If I'll click it, click it. Okay, there you go. You have to go to browser, and then you have to click on the URL, which in this part it lags a little bit. There you go. You want to delete everything, and you want to paste in the link that you copied. You will. Oh yeah, by the way, that's my friend. That was my friend. He was just messaging me, and then you wanna type in. Actually, luckily, I didn't actually do it. You will have to go there. You have to delete the whole select the thing, and you have to type in SS YouTube. You guys can just look at it. I can misspell a little bit. .com, and then when you press go, it magically turns into a link. See? So say from internet. That is the main thing that you need for this to work. Because, well, as you can see, it's basically free. It does take up some space, but it's free. So you will have to use documents and downloads, because that's the best bet for you. It's easier. You can choose the type of file that you actually want to use. I use MP4 because that's 720. And then you want to take this, you want to drag it to your documents, it opens automatically. You will have to go to your photos, and then you go into your camera roll, and you add it in, and you close out of the app. You can just drag it anywhere you want. Oh yeah, you can add my silly face earlier. So you will need Font. It's completely free. Basically, it does have some ads, but it doesn't really matter. It's a very good app. I knew it was called Vaunt for a reason. Text on videos, and this is where you want to start doing your name. I'm gonna just write name, because it's the best. It's the best thing. So you can add strokes, you can put a background. It's kind of like Fonto. I mean, I use Fonto for my thumbnails. That's not related though. So you have to drag at least the middle part. That's not really centered, but whatever. And you will, I mean, you can just put like you can change style. You can put a transition style. If you don't want to, then that's fine, because this is literally all you need. I use slide for the in, and I basically fade for the out, if you can see. I use fade for the out. On. There you go. And you can just like...
It's a going thing.
Well, yeah. I kind of interrupted the intro there, but whatever. It depends about which type do you use, which template, and just choose like the type of template that you want, because it really just depends on your imagination, except for the rest of the steps, which will be carried out, and then you just go.
It's a going thing.
It burned Nate, right? It burned Nate. So this is like, you can look at these other ones, like the one I use for this. So yeah, the audio will be delayed for this because I literally have to like go through like everything. But yeah, I think that's all there is to this. So if you guys want more cool content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's hit like, I don't know, can we hit 1 like, please? I need the likes. Anyway, hit that little bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.